Hi guys, in today's video I'll show you how you can do the nested if function in Excel. So let's start. So the first thing, I made this Excel sheet in the online version of Excel. You can do it on the app, on the Microsoft 365 Office. I use the light version on Chrome or Google. So the first thing we're going to do with nested if, we want to say if, double tap, then we do the logical test, which is the total seats. So we're going to figure out how much seats are sold, booked or available. So we click, then if it's equal to total seats sold, then you will do comma, then we will do sold out, then we do comma, if get the then we say if, meaning open another bracket for another argument, if it's less than available. Seats or overbooked. Then close, double, and there it's sold out. Okay, and there it worked. So what we can do, we can just drag it down, which is each column. Take some time working on it. Still working on it. Take some time on my laptop. I don't have a fast laptop. Okay. So then there we can see it really works. But there you will get some errors where total seats sold 450. So in this case we can look at here, or then we could say it's not B3. You can see as B2 but then it says B3, so let's replace it with B2, and that should change everything. Then we should drag it down so everything auto-corrects. This is working on it. Apologies for the slow laptop. So working on it. Okay, now that works. Okay. Yeah. See, some still doesn't work. Nevertheless, we can maybe change, if we want to change it, press enter. That makes sense. See, it's sold and there it works. Okay, but this wasn't. And it works. So thank you for watching.